Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how you can send free anonymous emails. This is of course not to violate the law. This is just if you are in a special situation, let's say if you are a whistleblower or you live in a country where the government is not allowing free speech like North Korea, Cuba, Venezuela, United States, something like that. And then it could be very helpful if you could use such emails, and it's not just anonymous, it's also encrypted and everything is free. So how it works, of course you have to set up an account, but it's free. As you can see, there is this free thing, but it's just allowed for one email. You have to be really careful. They are checking a lot. I mean, they are not tracking you, but as soon as they think you are violating these terms, like one free account or so, then this can happen really fast, that they are saying you violated the TOS and they are closing your account. But of course you can open one at any time. What's the good thing here, you can see I'm working on Tor browser. I mean, I'm using the Brave browser, and there we have the Tor browser for free. This is also something which is recommended, so you can go here on the right side and then click new private window with Tor, and it really works with Tor, so you don't have to use a VPN, you don't have to install new browser. If you have already the Brave browser, you can go to the website, set up your account. The only thing which you have to be aware of, that you have to wait 48 hours till you can send some emails. So probably they will give you some time to calm down. So for example, if you are in a situation where you're totally upset and you want to send some crazy emails to somebody, it gives you time to sleep 2 times, 2 nights, and then calm down and think about what you are doing. So this is definitely not to spam or scam people or whatever. This is just for your own safety and to stay within the normal laws, but of course to give you more protection if you need. So after setting your account, you can log in, and then we are here, and then you have all the possibilities, and you can click on new mail, and then you can enter the destination here, any kind of email address. The sender will be, of course, this one here from this account. Then regarding password, you don't have to use password, but you can use a password. Of course, you have to provide the receiver with the password. They have to know it. And when they will receive the email, they can either click here or click here, and then the email client will open, and they have to provide the password, and then they can read the email. But if we want to send just normal email without password, we can click here, and then it's normal open unsecured or not confidential email, and you can just write anything here, subject, and then also text here underneath, and then just click on send. But again, you have to be careful when you just send something. I have sent 2 emails with subject like test and also test here in the message, and they were closing my account, probably because they have seen that I was just using it as a test. But of course, this is pretty much standard procedure. If you have a new email client that you want to send a test message to see if it's really working or not, I don't know why they have closed the account, but doesn't matter. I mean, of course, this is an email and an account which I'm not keep using any further. If I would need to use this, I would open a new account, of course, with a different email, so you don't have to send me emails here. I'm not going to read them. But it really works, and the really good thing, it's free, and you can use it even encrypted. You can even use it with the Tor browser. You just have to wait for 48 hours till you can send the email. But apart from that, I think it's a pretty good solution. So if you are in such a situation, then why not to use that? And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions, I mean other solutions, if you have found a better solution than that, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.